Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of January, and I'm wishing you a very happy new year all my Cancerians. And let's see what the new year holds for you. Let's see what are the first 15 days for my Cancerians. Okay, so wow, so you're starting with a beautiful energy of the Empress. Okay, then we have the Three of Pentacles and the King of Wands. It was, anyway, the Knight of Pentacles, the Devil, the World. Okay. The Four of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. That's beautiful. So you're starting with a very beautiful energy of the Empress, my Cancerians, and that is about abundance, fertility. It is about being in power, feeling good about yourself, maybe actually a brand new beginning in some situation. Let's see what it is all about. So what is this Empress about for Cancerians? Why is this Empress here for? So for the Empress we have, okay, the Nine of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Eight of Wands. So yes, definitely you have really worked hard on yourself, on your inner self, on your raising your self-worth. You have really focused on whatever needs to be corrected in your life, whatever the negatives were, faults were, whatever was holding you back, whatever your inner fears were, anything, whatever was negative in your life, you have really worked hard on it, and now you are entering the year with a bang, with a new beginning, fully empowered, fully confident of yourself, and you have really moderated whatever. And with the Nine of Pentacles, you have really, maybe you've even taken a break in some way, shape or form, but you have really focused on yourself. It's totally all in all about you. Okay, you, yourself, your self-worth, everything about you. And with the Eight of Wands, whatever I hear, what I feel is, this is the energy that maybe you've taken some sort of guidance. This is all about communication. Maybe now you're ready for communicating. It can be that, because with the Three of Pentacles here, I see there is some discussion and some talking going on. So this is, maybe you are ready to communicate something, or it is just a general communication. Since you're happy, a new beginning, you're entering the new year, it is just about a general communication, people. Okay, but the main thing here is that you are happily communicating. That's what I would definitely like to say. It is happy communication. You are communicating happily. You have moderated your life in a beautiful way, balanced it in every shape or in every situation and in every way. And here we have the Three of Pentacles. This may be talking about spending time with your family, with your friends, discussing things with them. Let's see what is this Three of Pentacles about. For the Three of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. So this communication is regarding opening up emotionally, opening up for a new beginning, with a person or in some situation, whatever it is. This is a new beginning that you are trying to discuss upon, and maybe that is what the communication was about. As I said, that you want to talk to people, you are talking to them regarding something, and that something is a new beginning towards where you want to open up emotionally. And now this can be anything on earth, which whatever it means for you, but this is something which feels is really important for you. It really has some roots to it. You feel tied to it. You have a strong bond for this connection, whatever this situation is. And with the Four of Wands, for most of you it seems to be a commitment. If not a commitment, then it is something long, stable situation. It is stability. It is definitely a commitment it can be commitment for a profession also, though. But whatever it is, you are opening up. It is a brand new beginning. That is what you want. This is a commitment towards a relationship or a situation which you feel really tied to. You have deep roots towards this connection, and this is what you actually want to open up towards, and that is what the communication was about, Cancerians. And here we have the King of Wands. What is this King of Wands for? So for the King of Wands, we have the Queen of Swords, the Tower, and the Five of Cups. So here, when you are communicating towards something, what I feel is there is something, somebody here is, perhaps to the person whom you are trying to open up, is detached, is not 100% into it. Perhaps this is a person who focuses more on themselves rather than the other person, and that is what is making you upset, and this is what is really unexpected for you. Okay, so you are trying to open up towards somebody, and that somebody is not giving you a very positive response as you expected, and that comes as a shake-up for you. And this is a person who is perhaps more focused on themselves, and that is how you feel immediately guarded and thrown back, and you feel immediately very detached, and perhaps you stop talking to them or something like that. But it gives you a very cold vibe. Okay, this person is giving you a very cold vibe, not a warm. You are not receiving that warmth, the warmth with which you move towards this person. It's something like that, and that is something which you are not expecting here. And here we have the Knight of Pentacles. So perhaps the things are not, if that situation is still there, if you still want it, things are very slow and they're just not moving. They're nearly stuck for whatever reason. Let's see what is this about. Why is this Knight of Pentacles here? So for the Knight of Pentacles, I just want to shuffle more. So for the Knight of Pentacles, we have the Six of Swords, the Star, and the Six of Cups. Okay, so here you are trying to, because love is still there, you still feel the love. Okay, you still feel the love. So whatever it is, I think you are perhaps still trying. You're still trying, though it is not a very active movement, or perhaps at least you are wishing for a reconciliation from this person. As for now, you are trying to move away from that immediate trauma which has come with this a little bit of a cold attitude of this person, but you somehow perhaps you feel, okay, no, love is there, and you really have a lot of feelings for this person, and you still want them. That's what I feel. And with the Six of Cups, perhaps reconciliation does happen. At least that is what you are wishing for. And with the Six of Wands, perhaps you are leaving this negativity behind. Whatever has hurt you, are leaving that hurt behind. But because we have the Devil card following it, what I feel is this is a temptation to go back to the same person, whosoever this person is, or that situation. You really have, though you may be, it can be this also, that you are trying to move away from the situation, but still love is there deep within. Maybe actually you are trying hard to move away from the situation, but somewhere within heart in your heart, you really want this person back. Even if after this shake-up you are actually moving, maybe actually you are trying to come out of it, but you are not able to. It's something like that. You want a reconciliation with this person. You still have this person on your mind, but the situation is not moving forward with the Knight of Pentacles. It is just there. Okay, things are not progressing. And immediately following it is the Devil card, which is about temptation, which is not, because of which you are not able to leave that situation. Okay, this is that you are not able to release that situation. Let us see what is this Devil here for. That situation, this, because of this, that temptation is there, that it is tying you down again and again. Let us see why is this Devil here for. Okay, so for the Devil we have the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Four of Cups. So that is what it is. You are not able to, you're still trying bit by bit Though you are feeling upset, but the thing is, you really want commitment from this person. You want this happiness. You view them as their soulmate. You want reconciliation, and that is what you've again started working on. Though you are feeling unhappy, but still it is a temptation. You are not able to overcome this person. Okay. Again, that thing has started with the Six of Pentacles. You've again started investing. Maybe they have also started investing because you really want them. Actually, you're not able to overcome this person. And here we have the World card. So world is actually ending of something and beginning of something new. Let us see what is this World card about. You want them, and let us see, do you get them? Do they offer you commitment here? Devil again just flew out of the deck. There is definitely a strong temptation or your addiction for this person. Let us see what is this World card here for. Just see, it flew and again it has come. So definitely there is something which the devil has to say, and the Hangman, and because of that your life is just hanging. And the Five of Swords. Okay, yes, this is bringing you a lot of agony also. You want a different chapter of your life. You want things to move forward. You want this situation to end. Actually, you want this unhappiness to end. That's what I feel. You want commitment. I really don't see it as happening with the World card. What I feel is this is what you wish for. You want this Ten of Pentacles. You want this commitment. You want this reconciliation. But the thing is that things are just, no matter how hard you are trying to make the ball rolling, and how hard you are trying to make things progress, the thing is, with the Five of Swords, every time something happens, every time there is an argument, every time there is a conflict, every time there is some sort of a headache, a situation which is a cause of your headache, okay, and the things are just stuck. Things are stuck because the thing is that you are not able to overcome this situation. You are not able to leave this person. Okay, and again, two devils in one reading it's big. So definitely this, you are addicted to this person, you are not able to release this person, and because of that you are not able to move forward in your life. That is what is happening here. You are not able to release them. Maybe you started off beautifully over here, but the thing is, I don't know, this is a new person who has entered your life over here, or somebody from the past, I really don't know, but the things are just not happening. And here with the Four of Swords, now here it is, you are just healing yourself, you are done, things are just not moving, you've tried very hard, and now what to do? Let's see what is this Four of Swords about. So for the Four of Swords, we have the Page of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. Now what I feel is that now you have sort of left the struggle. You're planning to at least leave the struggle. With the Page of Pentacles and the Page of Cups, you've started understanding that perhaps you won't be, though you like this person, but perhaps you need to close off. The steps are very slow. Even if there are, you have just given up the struggle, but maybe it is still on your mind to some extent, can be that. But the vibe which I am getting is you have realized that perhaps you need to slow down or stop or close off. Maybe that situation is unattainable, though you may still be attracted to the person, but I really don't see that you are making a move. With the Seven of Wands, I see you've given up the struggle over here. You have perhaps realized that it won't happen, sort of. Maybe some sort of realization is coming in over here that maybe it won't happen, but you are giving up the struggle also, not investing that much here. And the Seven of Pentacles again here, just see, again you are just looking back and contemplating, okay, I have just given up my entire time, I've invested so much in this situation and nothing is moving forward. What should I do? Why is the Seven of Pentacles here for? So for the Seven of Pentacles, we have the Eight of Cups, the Ten of Wheels, that is good, and the Page of Swords. I wanted to see the Two of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. Okay, just pulled up some more just to have some sort of an extra information. And here we have the World. I think now you will do something about it. Let us see. Let's see what happens here. So with the Seven of Pentacles, we have the Eight of Cups, the Ten of Wheels, and the Page of Swords, which were the first three cards. So definitely you are understanding that you need to leave it, and that is what you are thinking of doing. And when you, and with the Page of Swords, you have the clarity now. Now it's, you've got this into your head that okay, this will not happen. You will not be able to do much about it, and things then start sorting out for you, and things start moving in a positive direction for you. That is what I feel. Once this becomes clear to you that okay, you really won't be able to, this situation won't happen. And for that, we also had here the Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, in the World. And this is the indecisiveness about it. Still juggling that last bit. What should I do? What should I do? Type of a thing. But with the Ten of Swords, you're totally done with it. I think you will release this situation now. Once you understand this slowly and slowly, well, not immediately. And with the World, perhaps here you will be able to manifest a new beginning for yourself. Actually, which you couldn't do over here. Perhaps you will be able to do this here. Let us see what is this Ace of Cups here for. It is a new emotional contentment, something new, a new beginning, giving you a lot of emotional happiness. Let's see what is this Ace of Cups for my Cancerians. So for the Ace of Cups, we have, yes, the Knight of Cups. Just see the Six of Wands and the Nine of Cups. So here, you have the Knight of Cups. I think it is somebody new. The moment you release this, and the Six of Wands and the Nine of Cups, so this is victory, this is happiness, this is wish fulfillment. And here we have the Knight of Cups. So this is your wish fulfillment. This is something new. This is somebody different. This is a person who is going to give you commitment. With the Six of Wands, you feel happy, and with the Nine of Cups, your wishes are being fulfilled here. So the moment you decide to release whatever the toxic situation is holding you, you will get your Ace of Cups. You will get your happiness and a new beginning, what is actually meant for you. Let's see what is this. What are the messages from this deck for Cancerians? Queen of Hearts, healing, spirituality. You really need to heal yourself. You need to focus on yourself. You need to meditate, pray, whatever needs to be done. You need to do that. Just focus on yourself to heal. What is the guidance from the angels for Cancerians? Positive recognition. Number 19 may be of some significance for you. Congratulations, your plans have worked out perfectly, and now is the time to shine. Brilliant new ideas will present themselves to you, and success is all but assured. Express yourself openly and honestly, knowing that those around you are trustworthy. Be open to unexpected opportunities. So that is what it is. Just be ready for the changes, accept what is coming to you, and just leave and release the negative things, Cancerians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.